Hi everyone, my name is Ann Webster, and this is actually my second time doing this recording because I am currently at work and I realized that things were posted behind me that had people's names on them, which I had to so expertly cover up. So I didn't notice that until I was kind of reviewing my video and I thought, oh, that's a big no-no. So anyway, this program, I'm in the prep program, and actually before this program I didn't have any experience with education. My bachelor's was, had nothing to do with education. But anyway, my current job is that I work in a group home, and it's the same group home and company that I've been working with for about the past 18 years, and I absolutely love it, and obviously I'm continuing to work when I'm in school. What I hope to get out of this class, gosh, people always ask this and I never know what to say, so I'm just going to go with just more experience, getting to do field experience, and just more knowledge about specific areas of the course. Let's see, my first concert I attended, and I'm going out on a limb here and assuming that you don't mean like symphony concerts and things like that. I'm kind of assuming you mean like rock concerts and things like that. So the first concert that I attended was actually a Def Leppard concert when I was in high school, which probably dates me quite a bit, but I'm okay with that. So I look forward to, I guess, quote, meeting everybody and working with everybody this semester, and I will see you all later.